How to use Bitcoin wallet as a beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about using a Bitcoin wallet app as a beginner. Whether you've just bought your first Bitcoin or if you're looking to understand how the wallet works, this video is just for you, so let's just get started. First of all, let's just quickly cover up what a Bitcoin wallet actually is. So a Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin securely. It holds your private keys, the secret codes that allows you to access and manage your Bitcoin. Without these keys, you can't access your funds. So to get started, you need to download a Bitcoin wallet app. There are many options available, but some of the most popular ones include Trust Wallet, Exodus, Coinbase Wallet, and Mycelium. After you have downloaded the Bitcoin wallet app, you're going to go ahead and open it. And when you open the app for the first time, you will be either asked to create a new wallet or restore an old one. For beginners, select create a new wallet. And then you need to set a new recovery phase, a set of 12 to 24 words. Write this down somewhere safe, as it's the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. So never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Once you've saved, you will be prompted to set up a secure password or PIN for added security. After that, let's go over on how to send Bitcoin. So if you want to send Bitcoin to someone, tap on the send option in your wallet app. You can find this here. So you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, which is a long string of numbers and letters. You can also scan the QR code for faster entry. After entering the amount of the Bitcoin you want to send and review the transaction details, hit send option in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that is done, to receive the coin, you can go ahead and open up the receive option in the app, and you will be seeing a Bitcoin address displayed as a QR code and a text address. And this is what other users will send to you in Bitcoin. Now that you've learned how to send and receive Bitcoin, let's talk about managing your wallet. Most wallet apps lets you view your balance, track transactions, and manage multiple cryptocurrencies all in one place. And you can also set up your additional security features like two-factor authentication to protect your funds further. And that is it. And now you got a basic understanding of how to use your Bitcoin wallet. So if you are ready to start managing your Bitcoin safely and securely, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cryptocurrency tutorials. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one.